Yon, what's up mga papsi? So, this is the day. Semi-final matchup against Dasma. Dito kami ngayon, nag-update ako. So, antayin ko lang muna, check ko muna yung tropa kung asan na, tapos bago kami sumibad. Actually, nandito na kami. Sama yung mga tropa. So, this is it guys, this is it. All or nothing game. Sana pala rin yung tropa. So yun lang muna mga papsi. Let's go. Nandiyan na sila Edong? Sino na lang iniintay?
Sino si Edong?
Brian.
Brian, dito si Brian, kakarating lang.
Okay. Si Edong na lang naman inintay, tsaka sila Nokal, no?
Andito na si Betong eh.
Eh sila Daddy.
Wala pa.
Hindi ba sasama sila Mami Tere?
Sama.
Sige. Update kayo kapag iniintay ko kayong makompleto bago kami umalis. Nandito lang kami malapit sa inyo. Dito sa labasan.
Si Edong eh.
Sige. Saan na kayo?
Andito na, pang-Macdo pa lang. Kakadating lang nila dito eh.
Macdo.
Dito sa labasan.
Baka mag-take out pa kayo.
Maliit na eh. Oras na eh.
O, doon na tayo magkita. Nandito kami sa sa may PS Bank.
Oo, rekta na kami.
Andiyan si JR.
Andito.
Sino pa kasabay nyo dyan?
Wala mga tropa na.
Oh, sige.
Tsaka sa player.
Sige. Kita-its tayo doon ha. Ingat kayo. Sige. OTW na tropa. Paano kaya Konsi? Alanganin eh. Magpapa-burger pa ba tayo? Oo nga. Eh kung anong pwede.
Sipatin mo na dobre, baka may lululugaw.
Baka may mga kasi syempre mga tropa niyan. Hindi sigurado yan. Mga excited yan. Hindi nag-breakfast yan. Kung ano na lang Konsi, kung anong may tingnan natin doon, kung ano madadala natin, kung ano makikita natin. Sige. Dito na kami. Ako, nauna ako sa kanila eh. Kasi gusto ko makita din yung daan papunta ron. Baka mamaya may mga ginagawa. Eh di mapabilis tropa. Pero karamihan naman paalis na.
Nabibisa rin ako eh. Hindi kami naiban.
Sige, wala eh. Hindi pinayagan si Adi ni Papa eh. Gawa ng SSDA eh.
Tsaka okay naman, kaya naman umalis. Hindi rin naman masyado.
Sige Papa. Kita kits. Wala naman yung service eh. Ba't magmamotor pa kayo?
Kasi andyan na lang kami.
Andun, inihintay kayo nila, hindi ko pinapalis hanggat wala kayo.
Sino doon?
Si Brian. Ha?
Sonto lang.
Sondo lang. Asa ka na ba?
Ika na.
Puta, umisa ka pa ata eh. Mamaya na yan.
Ganyan. Ano ba na yun?
Padaanan ko kayo dyan. Sa may kan...
Simbahan na.
Sige, simbahan ha. Sabihan ko ha. Tawag ako. Sa may Ryzen. Sige. Nagko-commute pa eh. Sayang naman yung service. Andiyan pa kayo? Ano na kayo? Mag-chat ka sa GC. Si Edong sa Ryzen na nagpapadaan. Sa Ryzen. Andiyan na yung dalawang bata ko.
Wala pa yung bata mo dito.
Antayin mo lang pagdating. Pwede na kayo umalis. Tapos doon na kayo sa Ryzen.
Ba nandito eh?
Ha?
Si EJ.
Sige. Sila Mami.
Hindi ko alam. Dito ba nasabay?
Tanong mo nga ako sasama kasi pagdating dyan ng dalawang bata ko, sibat na kayo kung wala pa. Anong oras na? Alas 8:20 na.
Sige.
Time check 9:20. 9:26. So dyan na rin tropa, almost complete na. Shoot up lang ako para focus na ako sa This is the game. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, pulutan pa lang, alam niyo na. Nagkakamong ba kayo?
Yes, sir!
Let's go. Now, start ka, JB. Bry. Alin, Edong JR. Now, kailangan natin dito pumukpok sa depensa. Walang magre-relax sa depensa. Pag may nag-relax sa depensa, automatic 1 minute. Hindi natin kailangan dito ng maraming fancy passes. Ha? Then now, again, kita nyo yung numbers. Lamang na lamang tayo. So doon pa lang, patunayan na natin na lamang tayo. It's our big revenge, everyone. Tandaan nyo, kailan natin, 1 week natin ito pinagdandaan. All year round, simula pa nung nag-champion tayo. Kaya this time, pakita natin kung ano yung dala natin. Silang stand. Ryan, go! Go! Sa offense, listen. Tayo natin itawag ng God. Start tayo sa wag na agad. Start tayo sa okay tayo. Let's go. Go! Defense on 3. Silang, 1, 2, 3. Defense!
Yung linya ng speaker.
Check. Their score is now 2-0. As Dasmariñas is only leading by 2, and an outlet now, a steal by Allen to Edong. Oliver goes all the touchdown to tie the ball game all 2. A quick steal there coming from Allen Baronda. Also an easy assist. Here is Dolo to Magaysay. Pass now to DQ. John Ray with 10 on the shot clock. Hammered by Oliver. Ball tap from behind. Loose ball gets by Elostrissimo, but there would be a whistle, and that would be a turnover. There's Edo Oliver from downtown. Short on the shot. Tries to save. And out of bounds, a ball possession will go for Dasmariñas.
Defense!
And Dasmariñas on the brew is short on players as the Dobot brothers are already in training for the NCAA. Jolos Magaysay draws a foul on the baseline, will be shooting 2. And there would be a foul called on player number 1, that's JB Patrugaya. That's his first personal foul. And first team foul for Silang Ballers at the line. Jolos Magaysay shooting 2. Misses on the first. Jolos misses both free throws. The score is all still 1-2. Here's JD Patrugaya. Takes it out on the left side. Take out top of the key. Gito down low. What a great dive. To pass down low to Brian Panico with an easy 2 with the help of that dime from Ray Gito. Taking a 2-point lead. Pass now to De Quiros. DQ to Jolo. Sumakay with a scoop play. Won't go. Great defense coming from Patrugaya with that rebound as well. There's Dito with the alley play now again to Brian Banico. That's a second assist now coming from Ray Dito. And 4 points now in the ballgame from Banico. Here's the Quiros with good handles. On the right side, the dribble, lose it. It's a steal for Ray. Dito with an outlet. On the touchdown, and the layup is good. Banico, 6 points now in the ball game with another help coming from Ray Dito. Ilustrísimo goes on the lane, but there would be a whistle. 17 on the shot clock. Inbound goes for DQ. DQ kicks it out, a steal again. Here's Brian with 6 points in the ball game. Kicks it out to Dito. Dito pass on the left and knocks it down by Oliver. What a great run from Silan with an 8-0 run. As Ray Dito having 4 assists, and that's also 4 assists for Ray
Hey,
Dito.
naka 1-2 sila. Guys,
6 points in the ball game is
dito yung ano
Brian
namin.
Banico.
B natin. B. I-receive yung B. Now, one-on-one to. Dive. Tapos pag wala, kick out. Yeah, ready for action. Now, guys, sa defense natin, ano pa? Papapormahin niyo pa. Uy, JB. Go. Hey, defense on 3. Sabi
That
ko
will
usapan
be
natin.
6 minutes and 40 seconds
Let's go, 3.
remaining.
1, 2, 3. Defense.
Melo inbound with the ball to DQ. Vikiros, pass to Jolo. Sumagay side, top of the key. Goes on the attacking side, but there would be a traveling.
Go. Tayo, B.
Another turnover there coming from
Tayo, B.
another turnover coming from Das Marias. Oliver with a 3-pointer short. That would be an out of bounds.
Sige, run. Position. Go, 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 go.
And both teams are now scoreless in this. 1 minute has gone by. Over steal. Edo kicks it out from downtown. Three! That's Ray Dito with his first 3 points in the ball game. Assist coming from Edo Oliver. A steal again. Edo to Ray. There's a blocking foul. Blocking foul called on player number 27. That is John Ray Dito. Substitution. Patrick Resultay checks in the ball game. Replaces John Ray Dito. Again, there's a first personal foul on DQ. First team foul for Das Marias also drew. 13-2 is the count. Dito on the inbound. Inbound goes to Edo. There's Oliver. Control pass. Patrugaya inside the paint. Down low to Allen Baronda. Allen Baronda grabbing his first field goal as well. And another assist. In total assists of Silam, there's 7 assists from downtown. 3! Melo Santos nails that 3-pointer. Passes down low, inside the paint. Alvarado, steal by Jolo. Here's to Magaysay, goes all the way. Layup is good. Baronda, that's now on the left corner. Edo takes it out. Dito, white up again. Heading top, Ivy this time. Good box out coming from Ilustrísimo. Rebound for PJ. PJ, Tonelo, Santos with a high time move. No good. Follow, shot. And there would be a whistle.
Wag nyo na patikitin!
Official score 15-10. The ball will stay for Das Marinas. 14 on the shot clock. Inbound goes to Nelo. Here is Santos making up space. Long bomb. Nelo Santos 3. Nelo Santos again with a second 3-point shot in the ball game. The score is down, or the lead is down to 2, 15-13. Here's Quinto. Pass is at the middle. Intercepted. Pandrugaya gets that loose ball, but here's Edong. Oliver kicks it out to Quinto. Quinto again. Drops it off. There would be a whistle again. That is first personal foul. 13 foul. On the other side, that's an easy basket for JR Ilustrísimo. On the other side, that will be an interception, but ball will stay. Out of bounds, the ball will stay. Here is the corner three. Won't go. Balico with the rebound and the putback. 8 points down the ball game for Brian Balico.
Right. Thank you, guys.
Technical foul called on player number 2, that is JR Ilustrísimo for unsportsmanlike behavior. Technical free throw is good for Ray Quinto. And 18 on the shot clock for Dasmariñas. Rizal Zion down to the ball to Nelo. Santos with the basketball. Pass it off to Rizal Zion. Here's BJ having a hard time, loses the dribble. Kicks it out to Nelo. Nelo with a 3-pointer. Shot almost went in. Offensive rebound, good footwork, down low, and the basket is good. Christian Movido with good footwork down there inside the paint. On the other side, that's an easy 2 points coming from Montilla. Here's Sumagaysay. Jolo. Is down low, oh, steal again. Quinto running this offense. Down low, and Ali, you play again. 8 points now for Edong Oliver as well, with 5 assists coming from Ray Quinto. It's only the first quarter of this ball game of the semi-final match between Dasmariñas and Silang, and Ray Quinto having 5 assists, and the shot clock runs down, 7 seconds to shoot. Loose ball picked up by JR. Kick out to PJ. Rizal dives. Too strong. Out of bounds. The ball will stay. From there, that's a long two for Jolo. Sumagaysay with his second field goal in this ball game. 24-19 is a 5-point lead for Silang with 2 minutes and a half remaining in this first. Inside, Abalon takes the shot. It's good. What a great ball fake coming from Abalon. Here's Jolo. Sumagaysay goes all the way for that post to post. Here is Ray. Quinto trying to make his move. Cross-court pass. Dribbles inside. Oliver won't go. And there would be a whistle. Both teams are now warning for penalty. 26-21, still a 5-point lead. A minute and 48 seconds remaining. Here is Maui Falconete. Pass it off to Sumagaysay. There would be a whistle. First free throws a miss for Jolo Sumagaysay. Second free throw is a miss as well. Rebound for Abalon. Here is Edong Oliver running as the point guard of Silang. Pass off to Quinto. Ray for 3. Ray Quinto 3. That's a second 3-pointer now coming from Ray Quinto. 7 points now in the ball game. Here's Edong. Oliver down low, a steal for Nelo. Here's Nelo Santos going on the coast to coast for that finger roll. And Los Santos now with 12 points in this ball game at under a minute remaining. Dito winds up again, won't go. Abalon grabs the rebound, another fake, there's layup. No good, but there would be a whistle. At the line shooting two is Abalon. First free throw's good. Here is Calgonete. Oh, a steal by Cacho. Russell down low to Brian Balico. That's his 10th point. And now for Brian Balico, 10 points now in the ball game. It's only the first quarter. And the first assist coming from Russell Cacho. Shot clock down to 14 with 21 on the game clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Ken Cachao making his move. Fingro won't go. Shot clock turned off. 13 seconds. Here's Gary Avila with the behind the back pass to Russell Cacho for the East. First 2 points, a steal. Cacho again, 9-time move. Follow-up shot. Bumping up and the basket will count for A.
Tawagin mo ko, finish. Now, sa defense, hey, ang gagawin nila, ibibigay nila ng ibibigay kay JR. Kung sino yung babantay kay JR, kailangan nilang i-accept, kung babangga, tigasan, and kung pwede, hindi na inyo para wag mabilis. Now, pagdating sa point guard, ito na, pag ito, na-check natin yung Santos, nakita nyo na, at hence, all throughout, walang ibang gagawin yan, titira yan, kukuha yan ng kumpiyansa. Now, maganda depensa natin, kaya tayo lumayo. Pag mas maganda depensa natin, mas lalayo tayo. Let's go. Again. Hey, tandaan nyo, this is our event. From back to back. Let's go, defense on 3. 1, 2, 3, defense!
Here's Dito again, tries from downtown, won't go. Cacho secures that board. Kick out again, Dito. Down low. Nothing down for Abalon. Rebound secured for Palgonete. Here is JR Lustrisimo with that jumper. And an open jumper made coming from JR Lustrisimo. 5 points now in the ball game for JR. Won't go. The steal. Nothing down by the Theater. 14 on the shot clock. Abalon down low. Gary from Abalon again. No good. Rebound again for JR. 5 rebounds now in the ball game. Ball is deflected by Dito. It's a steal. Here's Trey. Down low. Pass. The shoot. Reverse coming from Abalon. Basket is good, and one. JR misses on that bonus free throw, 39-27. Here is Logroño, winds up, in and out. Sumagaysay grabs the rebound, but he stepped out of bounds. Bumping off, hand-time move, won't go, better than the rebound secured for Sila. Here's rebound there coming from Patrugaya. Outside York, pass it off on the corner, one top of play from downtown, Green! This is no foul, 15 foul out for Sila Bulls. First seeding of the Pagkakala is United. Second free throw is good. 42-29, the 13-point lead. Coming from James Young, still the highest leading the ball game so far. Out of bounds, the ball will stay for sila. Shot clock. Abel ang Indan. Indan goes to Ligonia. Ligonia one shot. It's a block by JR. Ligonia picks it up the loose ball to the Cortez on the elbow. Shot will go. The rebound now for Pagunete. It's only a 13-point lead in second. Here's Gary Aguilar, 1-4 3 ball, one goal. Rebound for Restrismo. The outlet is Pagunete. Beautiful second swing in, one goal. Then on a rebound for Montilla. Montilla, one shot to goal. Back it in from downtown. Three. And Montilla now is 5 points in the ball game. Makes his move on that deep ball. Here's Dolo, set back three. Trying to make an answer. Dolo Sumagay side. Three. Quick answer there coming from Dolo Sumagay side. 45-32. And we're back to 20-point lead. Cortez goes to a pass on the corner. Trying to make a 3-pointer there. One goal. Trying to rebound. Montilla with that jumper. 7 points down with booking for Montilla, 47-32, 16-point lead. Dolo again, attack the lane, he draws 8. And at the line shooting 2 free throws is Dolo Sumanisa. Makes on the first. This is on the second free throw, rebound for Patrugaya. It's Lagorono again. Rondo this time, big rebound coming from Dolo, but Williams is ahead of the steal. Patrugaya with a big round. Here is Nelo Santos. Nelo, this is to JR inside the paint. Loses the leather. Runs with a loose ball. Loose ball is now reached in the crowd. To Dolo, from the side pick. Run. That's the basket. The layup is good. One player of the second of GM Columbus for a 50 foul. Top of down to 7. Baseline J. Knocks it down. He's sent it down now with the basketball. Sent it down, one shot, uses a dribble, that's spin. Here's Gary Abila on the ball, crosses it. Yeah, second user. 20 on the shot clock. Patrugaya, pass up to Montilla. Montilla with a long ball, knocks it down for downtown. Three! Second 3 points now coming from Montilla. 10 points in the ball game as well. Out of bounds, the ball will be 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Here's Montilla again. Montilla to Cortez. Cortez not down that jumper. Timeout is full. Timeout. Does Rangers on the blue bowlers. And after that timeout is full. Here's Alex Bavara stepping in the boogie. Dolo with a long ball on the wall. Bavara stops the ball to the crowd, and the pass is intercepted, the steal. And the pass was too strong, that's a good over. First free throw miss for Alex Bagaras.
Para mo ni. Ay, di, ito. Si ano, si Rhodes, yung ano, yung sa kanya. Yan, nakalagay ito.
Second free throw miss as well. Zero out of 2 on that free throw line. 56-35 is still on the official count. Pass back now. Nico, one stop. One goal. There would be a whistle. Big detail for Das Marinas. Here's Patrugaya. Patrugaya gets lost to Abalon. Abalon back out to JB. Patrugaya inside. One goal on that scoop. Rebound to good for the cow. Back out to Alex. Alex cutting on the glass. Now low. And launching it in the easy point. On the other side, the defense broke that by the guys at the ground. The ball. That's a free over coming from Silang. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in this first half. And the lead is still up by 19. Here is Marine Lloyd. Back now to Bagay. Bagay picks it up. Cornelia Santos, one shot, banks it in. There was Santos, three. Here is Ginto. Ginto going inside, another time to Egan this time, misses that shot. And there will be a whistle. First free throw good for Teresa. Time out of 4. Back na po 2 minutes 11 seconds remaining in this first half. Now low, Papagaya with an easy two. Here's Bagay. Oh, the pass. Out of bounds. It would be a 3 over. There's a kick out. That's a downtown. Won't go. Oh, the steal. Papagaya. Kick out. Papagaya. Elbow jumper for the side. Won't go. Oh, another steal. Papagaya. Hustling for that leather. And gets that 2 points back in an 18-point lead. 60-42. Bagay is bumping up. Gets wrong to Kachao. 10 on the shot. Here's Dan. Gets through. Top back down the slide. On the spin, Kachao with a fade. The shot is good. Oh, the steal broken to the side. Here's the side now. Goes all the way in. In the 5 rebounds now for Melo Santos. 30 seconds remaining. Evan Oliver down low, kick out for there. Quinto, jumper, won't go. Shot clock now is turned off, 20 seconds. Here is Henry with an easy two. Nothing down the lead down to 12. 10 seconds to go. 5. Out of bounds, the ball will stay. 1.7 seconds to go. Again, 1.7 seconds to go in this ball game. Put that down. 3.
Coach Papsi and of course one of their players, Ray Ginto, coach, as the defending champions. Nakabalik ulit kayo ngayon sa semifinals, and now I think during the first half you're dominating the scoring positions and the defense side. So, ano na yung preparation nyo ngayon and the game plan ninyo para matapos at makakabit ulit at makapunta ulit sa championship?
Full year round, nag-prepare kami and itong bago yung week na to, wala kaming ibang ginawa kundi mag-prepare. Now, the result is on the last, the final buzzer kung sino lamang.
So Ray, for now this is your approach naman ulit sa semifinals. So as one of the key players din, ano naman yung naging preparation mo personally bilang maghahanda ngayong semifinals?
Nag-training talaga ako ng gusto rito, nag-shooting ako lagi sa amin, tapos training nila sir, tapos sinusunod lagi lang si Sir Jano.
There you have it, Capiteños. Wala na akong pang itatanong pa dahil I think mainit na mainit na ang laban. Pero bago ang lahat, Coach Popsy, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan para sumusuporta sa sila.
Okay, shoutout unang-una sa team owner namin, Boss Nelson Comical, kay Boss Bird, team manager namin, sa mayor namin, Mayor Ted Garanza, at yung mga sponsors namin like ND Cafe, Philcan, Gasoline, and yung LBJ Chipsin. So, shoutout sa mga nanonood sa Silanggenyo, sumusuporta kahit wala dito. And shoutout sa family ko, Baby Jamil, Jaleb, and syempre yung mga bosses. Shoutout sa
What about you, Ray? Baka may gusto kong pasalamatan for today's game.
Ayun, shoutout kay Boss Nelson, kay Papa Bird, shoutout din sa family ko.
Back to the game, start of the third quarter. The score is 63-48. With a great start coming from the BNP Long Bowlers. Oh, a steal by Edo. Oliver down low. Brian misses a key play. Rebound for Thomas in the baseline. Here is Alex Bagares. Kicks it out to JR. Jumper. No good. It's inside iron. Rebound to George for Silang. But on the way is Chris rebound. Here is Ray. Dito. How do you play off and guys, how do you play for Brian Banito? Banito now with 12 points in this ball game and another assist coming from shooting the ball, shooting the technical is here's the inbound to Jay Lustrisimo. Lustrisimo with a pull-up Jay. Coming down for that beautiful jumper. Rebound to George for Silang. Here is Quinto. Running the shot off again. Down low. The shot. Good goal. There's a rebound and one. Defensive rebound for basket and one. The second personal rally on Jay Lustrisimo. 68-49 is the set count. It's a 19-point lead. On the other side, Alex Bagares secures the layup. Here is Vito. Lines it off. Coming down the way. There will be a loose ball foul. That is a rebound for Banito. Here's Oliver. There will be a informal shot clock. Here's Bagares all the way. The layup is good again. Alex Bagares now is having a great day. A great game in the semifinals match against Silang. Ray Dito gets it out inside. Boys to second. Dahil na steal. There will be a jump. This shot inside off the glass. The layup is good. Russell Butler is heating up slowly in this ball game. 70 to 63, so 17-point lead. Alex Vagares again. Kicks it out to Jolo. One shot, that's a block by Cacho. There's an outlet. Cacho under the side, goes to a travel. Corinthians Vagares number 3-4. Rebound secured for Vito. Vito with an outlet again. On the other side, Jason Jay knocks it down. Adam Oliver having 13 points now in this ball game, and another assist coming from Ray Pinto. 8 assists now in this ball game for Ray. Nelo Santos trying to make it move. On the right side drive, the hand move, and the shot is good. On the other side, down low, off the last, back is good. Elbow play. Yes, JB Patragaya at the line, shooting a bonus goal. Bonus throw is good for JB. And the lead is back on 20 points. Here is Santos. Melo bumping off on the spin, the pick out on the other side. With that Gazer, the jumper is good. Russell Sato will try to make an answer and he knocks it down. He just happened that is now in this transition. It's Balvaneta going inside, he draws a whistle. Another ball game. 2 free throws now coming from Amon Balvaneta. Look on the first. Second free throw is a miss, Tasha secures that board. Here is Ray Pinto. Pinto to cross to JB. Patugaya. Back out to Brian. Banike with another shot off. Top of the key. Goes on the reveal. Goes on the drive. Hands up to Patugaya. The loose ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Patugaya with a jumper. It is not iron. Rebound for JB Patugaya. To Banike with a feed. And the shot is good. So 21-point lead now, 79 to 58. Bagay, this is a dribble. Pass almost intercepted. Balvaneta inside out, but spin and layup is good. Balvaneta is now trying to heat up in this quarter. And Vito setting up a play for Sila. Inside the middle, playing and that's the block. Inbound goes to Vito. Vito up to Oliver, knocking it down again with that jumper. 15 points now coming from Evan Oliver. 81-60 still the official, 81 to 60, so official count still a 21-point lead. The steal for Nelo. Nelo to Sumagaysay with a Figueroa. And Dolo Sumagaysay gets that layup. The help from Nelo Santos. Vito again, second shot. Pass now to Castro. Castro. Inside. Oh, the ball fake. The layup is good. What a great fake coming from Russell Cacho is Vito back to Pagugaya. There would be Iverson. And also the big ninja for West Marinas, JB Pagugaya at the line shooting two. That will be soon. Presentation was made. PBA resulta check in with us. Here's the Giros Conway. DQ. Back it up to Melo. Melo fakes. There's on the back in the lane. There's Nico. He fell. Melo Santos at the line shooting 2 free throws. Three minutes remaining in this third quarter, 83-64 is the official count. Here is Edon Oliver. Edon, pass it up on the baseline to Balico with a one-legged float to knock down that finish. Balico, 18 points now in this ball game. Free throws. And the call now touching in the floor. This is no good for Melo Santos. Second free throw for him as well. Further out of two at that time. Coming from the free throw line. So 20-point lead. No foul to play from out. Three! Well, from the right side, quick answer for a quick kill. On the baseline to Cacho, Russell. Goes on the retreat, pass out to the ball again. To the corner. Oliver, dribble, shot. And that's hitting the sideboard. Here's Balvanete. Inside, layup, there would be Iverson. First free throws missed. First free throws are made, rather. Second free throw is missed. Rebounded by Russell Cacho. Here's Cacho. Pass now to Montilla for three. Bounces it off. Melo Santos grabs that board. 5 rebounds now for Melo. Oh, quick steal coming from Vito. But there would be Iverson. Foul was called on Bernardo Rodriguez. That's Melo Santos as his second personal foul. Technical foul on the bench of Silang Bowlers. 14 on the shot clock. A minute and a half remaining in the third quarter. Vito setting things up for sila. Vito attacking. Setting out to Cacho. Cacho down low for a ballon. Get the 2 points. Vito help from the two players. It's a steal again for Vito. 5 steals now in the ball game. Vito is playing all stats in this ball game. Down low, a steal for Pagulete. A steal again, Cacho this time, inside move, hit that play. Under a minute remaining. Here is John Ray Tiros. DQ bumping up. Tries to use that goal speed. Meron Santos with a long bomb. Bounces off. Offensive rebound. Palganete with the putback. Now Palganete 9 points now in the ball game. All that 9 points is coming from the third quarter for Palganete. Abalon takes it out to Ray. From downtown, Ray! Second 3-point shot coming from the foul. 6 seconds to go. Jumper, Woko, and the three. Score of the fourth quarter. Here's Ilustrisimo inside the paint, blocked there from behind by Abalon, getting his own miss, the fake, and he gets that 2 points. Here's Ray Pinto with that basketball. On top of the team, his dribble, pass it up to Montilla, Montilla to Hato. There would be a 3-second violation. Here's DQ. DQ now attacking the lane. He draws a whistle. On Montilla. Chris Siga for Silang. The first free was a miss for the Tiros. Substitution. JB Padrogaya taking the free. That's now JB Padrogaya off the basket for 2 points. And that's another assist coming from Ray Pinto. Minus is now in the ball game. Here is the Tiros. DQ, back it up to JR. Ilustrisimo fighting for that space. No good. Block there coming from Padrogaya. Dito takes it out. Good play. No goal for Naka. Rebound for from Gaysay. Here's Melo Santos, down low the paint, bumps up, the shot won't go, getting some miss, the putback is good. 6 rebounds now coming from Melo Santos. And he's the leading scorer for that Marina, here's Montilla, pull up Jay, short, rebound for DQ. DQ pass now to Palganete, Maui, inside, there would be whistle. Maui Palganete at the line, shooting 2. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good as well. 2 out of 2, 97-77, back to a 20-point lead. Oh, boy, stop from behind that Senga Chow. But it goes out of bounds, the ball will stay. $14 on the shot clock. Here's Edo. Oliver, stop up down to 7. Take it out. Ray Pinto, 3! 3 3-pointers now coming from Ray Pinto. 100-77 is the official count. Again, Ray Pinto is having a great game. He's only 1 assist shy, coming from a double-double. Pass down to Pacho, Pacho down low, kick out again, Ray, blocked in from Palganete. That's a second block. Here is DQ. Passing out to Santos. To Jolo for Dre. Short on the shot for Sumagaysay. The same ball gets by the Silao. Out and now all the way to Russell Castro. Here's Maui Salgoneta for Dre. Won't go. Rebound secured for Patrocaya. Inside, Dre knocks it down. Brian Bonico, 20 points in this ball game. Here's Jolo with that reverse, doesn't hit the glass. Here is Adam Oliver. Pass out to Ray Quinto. Quinto to Padro. Patubaya, top of down to 5, down low. Another good pass! Does not to convert. Here's the rebound for Melo Santos. Melo goes all the way. Layup is good. Twenty-two points now coming from Melo Santos. He's the leading scorer for Dutch Marinas. Here's Ray Quinto. Quinto goes on the left. Down low pass. The alley play won't go. Oh, a steal for Patrocaya. And there will be a offense. 5 minutes to go. Cross one pass, Melo for Ray. Won't go. That is still won't go. Ball up high, rebound for Patrocaya, or Quinto rather. Rep. 1 is a penalty for Silang. 104 to 88 the count. It's a 24-point lead. Here's Oliver. Oliver to Baronga. Allen to Gray. Coming down for Allen. Rebound for Ken. Cachao, Panelo to JR. That's reachable. Jumper knocks it down. Here is Brian Domingo. Pass off now to Alan. Baronga with a basketball. Behind the play to Edom. Oliver. Oliver now taking away on that baseline. The ball hits the glass. Oh, the outlet intercepted by Patrocaya. There's Allen now inside. The layup is good for Allen Baronga. It's easy, that is now coming from the players of Silang. And using up some time very wisely too. Here's Melo. Right from downtown, more goal. Rebound for Banigo. Down low, goes high. Ball picked up by Melo. Here's Santos, goes all the way. Here's Avila. That's not the Huerta. Top up down to 7. Oh, a steal. Here's Ken Cachao, goes all the way. The layup is good. Here's Avila. Kabila to Huertas. Huertas gives it up to Nepal with a long bomb. Hitting top iron. Rebound is good for JR. Electricimo. To Nopal. All the way. And the layup is good for Mateo again. Back-to-back basket. Inside, Avila is all the way. Won't go. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Inside, layup is good for Alex. Out of bounds, the ball will stay 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Kenta Chow, pass now to Alex. Rivera goes all the way, layup is good. Here's Nopal. One minute and 2 seconds remaining. Still a big point lead for Las Marinas. Is still a 12-point lead. Here's Antonio. Goes inside, blocked there by Melo. Off the gas, 2 points for Verta. Off another move by Alex Bagares. The layup is good. 44 seconds remaining. It's a steal by Signorini. Here's Lloyd, goes all the way, layup is good. Down to an 8-point lead. Or 10-point lead rather, 108-28. Thirty-two seconds remaining. Foul still on play number 2, 5 fouls. Foul, 14 foul, 1 for penalty, 28 seconds remaining. Foul 48, 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Guillermo. The final game. Here's Kenta Chow. There would be a reaching foul. Reaching foul on the player number 14. That's here's the foul. There will be a foul. Kenta Chow, 3! 10 seconds to go. That is good for Nelo Santos. That is missing on that bonus throw. To the end of the semi-final game between Geelong and Catrinas, the score 111 to 105. Geelong via Bullers advances to the championship.
So now right here with me, this is a total domination. Pero coach, at first, at the tail end, medyo nakadikit and it's just less than 6 points. What happened?
Alam namin, they give up eh. Siyempre, I have my chance naman para ma-expose yung mga susunod kong players. Kasi hindi naman lahat yan mag-i-stay sa palaro. Mag-exceed dyan sila. So dapat i-expose din natin yung mga players. In terms of Dasmariñas, yung paghabol nila, kasama yun eh. Hindi pa tapos yung final buzzer eh. Nag-relax kami, pero at the end of the ball game, sabi ko nga, this is a semi-finals, anybody's ball game. Kung ano yung kalalabasan ng final buzzer, kung sino lamang, and they deserve the win. They deserve a slot for championship match.
Right here with me is our best player of the game, Ray Ginto with 13 points, 5 rebounds, 10 assists, and 5 steals.
Grabe.
Ray, what can you say about your performance? Daw nagbuka ba lahat ng pinagpaguran mo, yung training na sinasabi mo, yung shooting na sinasabi mo kanina earlier in the interview? How was it?
Yun, nakita ko naman yung progress ng pagte-training namin. Ayun talaga yun. Ginawa lang namin best namin.
Ayun, tawagan naman natin syempre yung team manager, si Sir Nelson.
Boss, tawag po kayo. Tawag kayo, may konting interview.
Ayan, sir, now that you're back again championship as you defend your title, ano naman yung mga possible preparation ng team for the upcoming championship game?
Sa preparations kasi, wala eh, talented talaga yung mga bata. Palagay ko tsaka masipag si coach. Halos araw-araw nagte-training yan. So wala akong doubt. Magtatagumpay pa rin kami.
And of course, syempre coach, ngayon saan naman pupunta ang team Silang dahil nanalo kayo and you're approaching toward the championship game?
Saan pupunta? Kung hindi sa Laguna, baka sa Boracay.
It's so nice to have it. Thank you so much. And
Tara! Agad tayo para maka-catch up na tayo. Meron ka namang sensei, pag-aralan mo yung tamang ito. Diba, naiiwan ka pa? Pag naiiwan ka, isang bugtubag yun. Pagka nakawala, ano ganun? Makamay. O di sa diga, nadadala mo. Di start. Bangga ito. Pag ito yung bangga, ito yung bangga. Tumama. Pwede mo ibagsak yan. Pwede mong itawag ng, pwede mong i-draw yan as offensive. Now, pag nag-flop o, di okay lang at sinubukan. Pero yung susundot ka sa talikod. Let's go! Three things yung nakita natin kanina. Una, effort. Tumama tayo sa good defense. And yung offense natin talagang as in, kung gaano tayo nag-prepare. Yung 1 week natin pinagandaan, lahat tumama. Now, breaks of the game, last 4 minutes. Bakit kailangan ko sumugal na i-expose yung mga nakaupo like Buboy, Doc, Bunso, Gary. Actually, pang first group pa yun eh. Kaso nga lang, ang mali natin, masyado tayo nag-relax. Sa susunod, wag. Lalo, and my bad. Kaya alam ko naman, 20 points is 20 points eh. Tiwala naman ako sa inyo na hindi nyo bibigay ng ganun kagali.
Sa mga nag-effort, sa mga nasa upuan, alam niyo naman yun. This is a family, this is a team, more than a team. Ang mahalaga, we're back. Again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is a championship game. May 2 championship game pa tayo. Mahirap mag-predict kung sino mananalo, pero ang sinusure ko sa inyo, kahit sino manalo rito, it's a great ball game, no? So, congratulations. Let's deserve. We deserve a short celebration. Kain muna tayo. Andyan yung mga bosses natin. Tapos, usap-usap tayo kung saan tayo ngayong araw na to. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Gary! Salamat tayo, Gary. Family on 3, family on 3. Snipers, 1, 2, 3! Family! Yun! So, wala kang masabi kung hindi effort ng tropa na nakita. Kung makikita mo talaga yung effort ng tropa. Start nung binubuo ko yung team na yan, kahit meron o wala, dito kami now. Nagbubunga kasi nag-effort pa din. Ito, we're back. Second time finals. Hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari, pero again, kung gaano namin pinagandaan yung semifinals, mas namin paghahandaan yung championship. Okay, mga Papsi, salamat sa suporta. Salamat sa mga boss, sa mga sponsor ko. Ito, NB Cafe, Gasoline, Philcan, LBJ Gypsy, at ang bagong-bago. Yan, so shoutout. So ayun mga Papsi, katatapos na ng game. Celebrate! Woo! Let's go! Dito kami, kakain kami. Let's go, Chops! So yan mga Papsi, celebration. Mamaya meron pa kami celebration natin. Let's go!
Yung mga haters namin ha, matulog na kayo ha, panalo na kami ha, hindi nyo inaasahan yung panalo namin ha, matulog na kayo.